Hello, my name is Baylor, and as a dungeon master, keeping my roles hidden while staying organized can be quite the challenge. That's why I designed and built this custom dice box that also functions as a DM screen. This design balances functionality and ease of manufacturing, while applying design for manufacturing principles. I simplified and reduced unique cuts while designing for a simple final assembly. CAD was used to find the needed spacing on the box and hinge for smooth folding action. The base of the box is made from reclaimed wood. It uses 45-degree mitered corners and a plywood base. Everything is secured together using wood glue and nails from a nail gun. The lid is built from matching boards, cut to size, glued together, and reinforced with a grate top. The hinge system was custom made from aluminum bar stock. I cut each piece to length on the horizontal bandsaw, milled it to width, drilled the holes, rounded the corners, and sandblasted for the final texture. For the interior, I 3D printed a custom stamp to emboss the leather. I first cut the leather to size, soaked it in water, and clamped the stamp down onto each corner to impart my design. Bringing everything together, I used a PU spray for added durability. I then used a custom 3D printed jig to align the holes before assembling everything with 1/4-20 fasteners. The leather was then glued in with contact cement. The final product is a compact, functional dice box that enhances my game nights. This project challenged my design skills while allowing me to experiment with woodworking, metalworking, and leather crafting. Thanks for watching.